I'm going to show you how to prepare a healthy breakfast. It contains the 5 groups: vegetables, proteins, fruits, grains, and dairy. I chose 2 delicious meals that are oatmeal and scrambled eggs. Let's look at the ingredients we are going to need. Ingredients for oatmeal: 1 liter of milk, 400 grams of old-fashioned oat, 1 banana in slices, 5 strawberries in slices, and honey. We pour the oat and milk mixture into the saucepan and bring to boil. Reduce the heat to low and wait until the mixture thickens and absorbs all the liquid. Stir it frequently. It will take about 5 minutes. And finally, serve in a bowl. Oatmeal is ready to be topped with slices of banana, strawberries, and pour honeybee as desired. My suggestions are: you can add cinnamon powder and nuts. There, it looks delicious. A healthy and hearty breakfast before I do anything. Now, enjoy this delicious meal with your family and friends.